I saw my daughter the first time the day of her wake, which was the day before her funeral. I saw her not March 19th. Too much time had passed, and they had already prepared her body, so I didn't want to have to see her like that over and over again. I wanted to see her the way that she was, and they denied me of that. And so when I saw her in the casket, I wasn't prepared for what I was about to see because I hadn't seen her. And because they had told me that there was no blood on the scene, I was assuming that she had no bruises on her. But that wasn't the case. When I saw her, she had a gash in her face between her eyes on the bridge of her nose. Her lips were cracked up and busted up. Her arms were so bruised up that we had to cover them. We had to go buy a sweater and a shawl to cover her arms. And nobody told me that. I didn't find out from the police. I found out because an employee that works at this hotel copied my daughter's picture from the file because her name was on the room the day that my daughter died. An Asian male quit because he said that he felt like he could have done something to help save my daughter, and he didn't. Why was he not talked to? Why hasn't you found him and asked him what he knows? We can't build trust if there's no transparency, if you're not going to be completely honest with me. I understand that there's certain things about this investigation that you can't share. I get that. But anything else you can share with me, you should. I'm her mother. I have every right to know what's going on.
Your message is being heard in the Bay. I heard y'all. I'm here because of y'all and her mother.
The coroner and the detectives finally called me back, start calling me on the 2nd of July. And that was after I went viral, after we started protesting, after interviews that went out. And they basically asked me the same questions that Putman asked me. And I'm like, why are y'all not communicating with each other before he went on leave? Why didn't he leave that information with you? I'm not looking for there to be a lawsuit. If in fact there was negligence, or if anybody needs to be held accountable in any shape, form, or fashion regarding my daughter's death, they will be. But that's not my goal. That's not my mission. My mission is to find out what happened to my daughter. All I want to know is the truth. I have to fight for her. If the tables were turned and I was the one who was found dead in this room, my daughter would be out here right now, fighting for me. So I have to fight for her. And the police department didn't make her a priority. So we have to
bring awareness to what's going on. This is just crazy that it's been 5 months and we know absolutely nothing. From February 28th, the day it happened. I mean, I feel like it's important, you know, not just for my sister, but for people to know, like, this is happening in our own city. It's 5 months later, and now you have a whole different investigator on the case, and we didn't know that until, what, a month ago? And the last time they called her prior to that was in April. We honestly just want to know what happened. And like my sister said, she just wants the truth, whether it's a homicide, whether it was accidental. I don't even take 99. I don't even drive past here. If I don't have to, I don't. I'll take I-5 and drive all the way down. I don't like to see the name of the hotel. I don't like to see the sign. It's painful. Honestly, it really is. It's painful.